Subtle movements in your freestyle technique can dramatically change your form. In this video, I'm going to go through what happens when you shift your hand position. Hey swimmers, welcome back to the Swim Bites channel. I'm Coach Mandy, and today's quick tip video is on what can happen if you shift your hand position during the entry and how that affects your freestyle technique. Now, before I get started, if you are new to the channel or you've been watching my content, be sure to show your support by hitting the red subscribe button below. That way you stay notified for new and exciting content weekly. A common mistake with freestyle is the hand entry, and that is twisting your palms outward, crossing too narrow in front of the midline of your head position. So in this freeze frame right here, you can see my palm is faced outward and I've completely just have my thumb entering, but it's tense and the hand has fully twisted. As you see in this freeze frame here, that will lead to most likely crossing over or going in way too narrow in front of your head. When this happens, especially if you breathe, that's when the crossover can occur and be more exaggerated. So if the arm is twisting, you can see here in this freeze frame, my left arm has now crossed over at a diagonal when breathing. This can lead to twisting, also putting too much pressure on the shoulder and just adding a bunch of extra movements that you really don't need. The concept of freestyle, or the priority, is to think economy of movement, and things like this or habits like twisting your hand can add more resistance than you need. So how do you correct that? Well, first you want to completely relax the hand as it's entering. This will prevent you from twisting the arm or palm facing outward as you saw previously. When the hand is relaxed, you're most likely going to aim it shoulder width apart, avoiding that crossover sensation or also that extra movement that can twist you left or right depending on what side you breathe on. Also, to see what happens when you twist the hand upon entry is you see that there's extra lateral movements of the low side arm. And when that occurs, you're also putting more pressure or unnecessary pressure on your shoulder. So see here in this freeze frame, my arm or my hand has twisted with tension. That's the key, tension with my palm facing out. When this happens, the next step is I'm going to sweep the arm too wide, and now I'm putting too much pressure on my shoulder, which is adding more resistance than needed as well. So how to correct that, again, is relax the entry, make it smooth, which will then help you stay shoulder width apart, whether you breathe or you don't, and that will also take the pressure off your shoulder and it will feel light. If you feel tension there, most likely you're adding extra movements that you don't need. Okay, swimmers, I want to end this video with a final note. If you are serious about improving your freestyle training, hit the pinned comments below to learn more about the Swim Bites program. All right, swimmers, enjoy your practice, and I will see you all next week.